All right, so I know something that is of utmost importance is documentation, and then maybe a little bit more documentation. So one of the new things that we have is a really nice report. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have you direct you over my shoulder here, and what I want to show you is our report. So as we're going through items, you'll be able to see that we have a pre and a post scan documented here on this vehicle. I'm going to go ahead and pull through, and you can see where the history codes were. But this isn't anything new for anybody. But here's what's really nice. I have the ability for each of these tests, whether it's a pre-scan or a post-scan, to add up to 10 pictures. And why that's really nice is if we're doing something like an ADAS calibration and we're doing a front-facing camera, some of the prerequisites are going to be that the tires aren't low. So you can see this vehicle had a low tire. All the tires are at 32 psi. It's got a full tank of fuel. There's nothing in the bed. We can document the door placard meets the tire pressure requirements, and that the tire size is also correct as well. So being able to have all of those requirements right there, able to document those, that's really important for everybody. That cuts down on the back and forth between the insurance company and the service provider. So I think those are some great things to show and some great things to enhance our product. Thanks for watching.